is chic. Y'all, these BTARTBOX French tip soft gel press-on nails got a hole on me. I wanted to try the medium brown coffin, so I opted for these. And I'll have everything listed down in the description box for y'all. Y'all know what it is. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on social media too. Let me just tell you, the key to getting these nails to last 3 weeks is to make sure you do your nail prep. And because I just recently removed some press-on nails, I'm going to go in with my Modelones nail buffer and just make sure that I got all the glue off and that the surface of my nail is smooth and even. I'm using my Hansen instant cuticle remover to remove these nasty, ridiculous cuticles because, honey, I have not done this in a while, but this works really good. It's quick and easy. So with this, you just apply a little bit around the cuticle and it just takes 15 seconds. So by the time you do each of your fingers, they're pretty much ready for you to go ahead and pick up your tool and get rid of those cuticles. You could trim yours if you're comfortable doing that, but your girl is not, so I just prefer this way. It's really quick and easy, and then you just have to go and wash your hands with soapy water, and that's it after you're done. Now, this is an important step in getting them to last. I'm going to take my Modelones nail file and gently go over my nails with this. This is going to ensure that they have a good grip and hold to my nails and last longer. I'm applying alcohol to a lint-free pad to remove any dust or oil from my nails. I tend to have sinus-related allergies from regular nail glues, but this glue does not give me any problems. This 28 days lasting gel nail glue, and it's made by BTARTBOX, and this is the glue that I use with BTARTBOX nails. And to the nail police out there that want to tell me this does not cure because they're not clear, I beg to differ because I've done some testing of my own, considering that I do have allergies to a lot of regular nail glue. So we're going to do our sizing. This is not a sponsored video, but you can reach out to BTARTBOX, the company, yourself to ask, and they will tell you that the nails do fully cure, but you do need a full lamp in addition to using a flash lamp if you're using a flash lamp at all. But you do need a full lamp to make sure that they fully cure, and it is obviously better if you're using their products, their glue with their nails. And if you are not comfortable, just use regular nail glue if that works for you. As you can see, no matter how big or small your hands are, there are so many sizes available for you to choose from. And you have stacks on stacks of nails, so these things can last you for multiple sets of nails, and you can save yourself some coins, girl. usually do the pink. This is my first time trying the brown. This BTARTBOX gel nail glue is really thick, so give it a good squeeze. And you want to apply that to the press-on nail, to the back of the nail, in the area where your nail will adhere to the press-on nail, if that makes sense. Using this glue particularly in the tube, I've gotten my nails to last 3 weeks and possibly even longer because I actually had to soak them off. I will do a separate video to show you how I remove them later on. Okay, so I'm sliding the nail up and back towards the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And then I'm flash curing for about 20 seconds. And that's it because I'm going to apply all of them first and use the full lamp for 60 seconds and make sure that they're all fully cured after the fact. Just FYI, they do have a polish on gel glue as well if you think that may be easier or work better for you. But this is good and thick, and I just love the way that once I press them down, they don't move a whole lot because it's not really liquidy glue. This little flash lamp is so cute. I like that it has a button to turn it on. If you don't turn it on and you just stick your finger under there, it's not going to turn the lamp on for you. But yeah, this is by BTARTBOX too, y'all. I actually purchased a little small kit with this little lamp, and it came with the BTARTBOX builder gel and top coat as well. Okay, so now it's time to cure these babies for 60 seconds under the full lamp, and just make sure that they're fully cured. They are not budging, so I know that they're cured. They have a good grip, okay? So we're going to make sure we file the little tabs, the little nubs on the end, and make sure that they are straight and they look the way they're supposed to, because we don't want these looking like no press-on nails. We don't want these giving she got on press-ons. Now this builder gel and top coat is 1 and 2, and they came with a little flash lamp. So first we're going to go in and apply a coat of the builder gel, and we are going to cure that. And because I actually lost the clip of removing the sticky layer after curing the builder gel and applying my top coat, I want to go ahead and let you know now to make sure after your builder gel cures that you take alcohol with a lint-free pad and remove the sticky layer before applying your top coat, okay? I cure the builder gel for about 90 seconds. Womp womp, so sad. I actually lost the clip of applying the top coat, but it looks like I'm doing the same exact thing, y'all. So after my top coat cured, I went and got some acetone nail polish remover and just put a little bit in a cap. And I'm taking this little brush from my polygel kit by Modelones, and I'm just gonna, you can use any small nail brush. Then you're just taking a little bit of that. You don't want to drench the nail and ruin it, but you're just allowing it to go around the cuticle area of the nail. And that's going to make it look more natural. You're not going to see a clump of polish up there. It's going to make it look more smooth and flat and more manicured around the nail, more natural, if that makes sense. And y'all, don't mind my shaky hands because I have tremors from time to time, and yeah, it's just something I get used to, but I don't let it stop me. Yeah, going in now with some cuticle oil, and that's gonna finish the look up, y'all. I gotta do my other hand, but I'm not gonna do that on camera and make y'all suffer through that. Bam! What y'all think? These are kind of hot. I really like the length on these. The short is cute, but these are really giving. And my birthday is on Monday, so yeah, I like the length. Yeah, these are giving grown. She's grown and sophisticated, got it together. And save her coins by doing her own nails. But here is the final result of both hands. I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. Y'all go follow your girl on social media if you're not already. I hope that you made it official and joined the fam. Your girl loves you so much. Let me know down below in the comments, have you tried these nails? What works for you? What doesn't? If you have any issues or whatever with them. And if you like them, of course. But your girl loves y'all so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.